Hey guys, my name's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along as I clean and declutter my bathroom. If you're new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button as well as turning on the bell notification so that you don't miss when I upload. Now I'm going to go ahead and declutter this bathroom. We only have 2 bathrooms in our house and both of them are really small, so we have to be pretty careful about how much we're keeping and making sure that things are staying organized. I have not cleaned these out in quite a while, so they are definitely well overdue. I have these all-purpose wipes, but these are really dried out, so I'm just going to toss them. And then I have some flushable wipes that, fortunately, I purchased before all of this started happening, so I did have some on hand. I use those when I'm potty training. And then, it's like a razor. I'll have to ask my husband. I don't know. I think that he uses this to trim like around his ears and the back of his neck. I'm not really sure. And then I have a bunch of feminine products. I had an ablation done about a year ago, so I don't need those anymore, but I'm worried that the second I throw them away, I'm gonna jinx myself. So I'm going to keep them, but I'm going to put them in a different area. They don't need to take up an entire drawer in my bathroom anymore. I think the only thing I'm going to keep in here is just extra bars of soap and these flushable wipes. Normally we keep toilet paper under here, but I think it'll fit in this drawer. So maybe I'll move that, into here. Perfect. This drawer is jam-packed with all of the items that my kids use and probably a lot of items that they don't use. I'm just gonna take everything out of here, decide what I want to keep, and then we set up these dividers and reiterate with my children that they're there for a reason and we should put things back in their respected areas. At this point, I decided that because it had been so long since I had decluttered this area in my house that I would remove everything from the drawer, I would wipe it out, and then I would move on to the cabinet and also remove everything from there to determine which items I still wanted to keep in this bathroom, which items needed to be thrown away, and what needed to be relocated to a different area of my home. If you guys have been home during this social distancing, what areas of the house have you been decluttering? Go ahead and comment them down below. In here, these don't fit perfectly in here, but I've done my best to kind of wedge them in. Here are hair products and skincare for my oldest, toothbrushes, flossers. We have a subscription to Dollar Shave Club that's currently suspended because we have so many razors. This is my teenage son's razor, fluoride, deodorizing spray, and then toothpaste. In this bottom drawer, all I've kept is toilet paper, an extra bar of soap, and some flushable wipes. And then in here we have the plunger. Hair care items are here. There's a grooming kit down here, and then my husband's razor, shaver, clippers for his hair, and Clarisonic, mouthwash. These are bath items, so bath bombs, bath paints, Epsom salt. And then down here is the items that I use when I'm getting my hair colored, as well as the mitt for my self-tanner and a self-tanner that I have. A lot of times I'll use a lotion. I've talked about the lotion that I like in a 10 favorite beauty products video, but I do periodically use this spray with the mitt. I then moved on to just cleaning up the bathroom. So I started by spraying down the mirror and then the countertop, wiping out the sink. With 3 children brushing their teeth in here, the sink can get pretty gross. This is the bathroom also that guests would use when they're coming to our home. Obviously, that's not happening currently, but I do try to stay on top of this bathroom just because I don't want people to be coming in to use the bathroom and seeing a bunch of toothpaste in the sink. That's just kind of gross. So I clean this bathroom sink out multiple times throughout the week and encourage the kids to also try to make sure that they're rinsing it out when they're done. I am in desperate need of a new pair of gloves for cleaning. Unfortunately, now is not a great time to be in need of anything related to cleaning products or cleaning necessities, so that will definitely be on my list once this is all done and over with. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the drain stopper from my sink. I cleaned that out, and then I'm just going to move on to cleaning the toilet. Anytime I'm doing cleaning projects, I will use towels that are old that I've cut into smaller pieces. I got this idea from How Jen Does It here on YouTube, and I also use paper towel, but now paper towel is another thing that's a little bit limited, so I'm trying to be aware of when I'm using that and how many paper towels I'm using so that we don't run out. I transitioned to using these disposable Clorox wands a couple of years ago because honestly, the reusable toilet brush cleaners are really gross, and I know you don't have to tell me. I know that these are not environmentally friendly and these are not a great option, but they just seem so much more sanitary to me, and that's why I am electing to. And yes, that was a squatty potty that you just saw. We use this as a footstool for our 2-year-old to be able to climb up and reach the sink. This bathroom is very, very, very small, so it is not possible for us to have a footstool in here or to even have one of those little collapsible footstools on the side. That's just too hard for him to pull out and open every time he wants to get up to wash his hands. So that is the best alternative that we have found. As you're all very well aware, cleaning products are a little bit limited, so in order to clean out my shower, I swapped out the head on that toilet brush. I'm not using the same one, obviously, that I cleaned the toilet with. I did swap it out, and then I'm just using some toilet bowl cleaner that has bleach in it to wipe out my shower. Once I get everything scrubbed down, I am just going to remove the nozzle off of the top of the shower and rinse everything out. And yes, I do have to stand on the toilet in order to reach the top of my shower because I'm only 5 foot tall. If you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss when I upload. You'll be able to see that on the left side of the screen, you're able to watch additional videos that I have previously filmed, as well as subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of my screen. I hope that you are all staying happy and healthy. Bye.